So what's the difference between a good guitar player and a great musician? A good guitar player impresses you with their ability to play fast or flawlessly or creatively or some combo of those three. But a great musician listens as much or more than they play. Listen to everything and discover where you fit, where you can add something without subtracting from either the whole or any other element. Be especially aware of things that share your guitar's frequency range. Vocals, another lead instrument, stay out of the way. Drums, listen to the snare and hi-hat. Either play tight with them, hitting it exactly the same time, or complement them, adding syncopation. Same thing with the bass. Either lock to it, or complement it, or a little of both. And if you share the stage with another guitar or keyboards, horns, what you don't play is just as important as what you do. And knowing what not to play starts with knowing where to end your notes and chords. Where they stop matters just as much as where they start. You let your chords keep ringing and they take up a lot of space. And sometimes that's good, but most of the time it's not. There is a real difference. French composer Claude Debussy said, "Music is the space between the notes." Jazz great Miles Davis said, "In music, silence is more important than sound." And that's why a great musician will always find the right places not to play. Give listeners a break. Then when you do re-enter, they'll hear the magic all over again and you'll feel it. So here's to you, not just becoming a good guitarist, but becoming a great musician.